What is up guys, I'm Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. So welcome back to another wine video. Welcome to your wine pronunciation video. Today we are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the very best areas for producing Pinot Noir in Burgundy, France. Pinot Noir wine, that is. Obviously we are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the top villages in the area of Côte in Burgundy, in Bourgogne. We are looking at how to pronounce Vosne-Romanée. Vosne-Romanée. So I'm going to be guiding you on how to pronounce it a normal, standard, traditional way in English, and I will also tell you how to pronounce it the true, genuine, authentic French way, being a French winemaker myself. So how do we go about pronouncing Vosne-Romanée? Well, first of all, you have to say Beaune. Beaune. So the S here is a little bit confusing, I guess, when you look at it, but it's simply silent, so just simply sort of ignore like it wasn't here. Beaune, Beaune. You don't really want to insist on that E all that much, so you can just say Beaune. And then Row, pretty straightforward. If you can pronounce the French R, go for Romanée. This is just an A, which is pronounced A in French, so Romanée. Romanée. Many people in English would say, because the A here, the E in French is a little bit tricky, so some would say A, like there was an I at the end here, but there isn't, so it normally would be Romanée, Romanée, rather than Romanée. So to summarize, overall, you would normally say in English Vosne-Romanée, but if you can say Vosne-Romanée, it's a little bit better. If you really want to pronounce it the truly French way, you can go with Vosne-Romanée. Vosne-Romanée. So yeah, Vosne-Romanée makes some delicious Pinot Noir wines, loads of Grand Cru, Grand Cru wines from Vosne-Romanée, including the most famous of them all, one of the very most expensive wine in the world. Oops, that's not the one. Romanée-Conti. Romanée-Conti, but you'll also find wines from La Tâche, that comes from Vosne-Romanée, as well as Echezeaux. Many fantastic wines that we can't afford all that much for everyday drinking. But yeah, fantastic wines coming out of Romanée. If you love learning about wine, make sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel, where I share wine tasting reviews, wine education reviews, wine tasting videos, everything you want to know about wine you will find on this channel. I hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine.
You told me I'm your anchor, I told you you're my pole. Through the wind and fire we try to hold on. We build this ship together, searching for a home. Despite the storm that hit us, we're still on board.